Have you ever seen these activities before? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Arinta and I would like to explain about modes of interpreting. Actually, there are 4 types of modes of interpreting. First, consecutive interpreting. In consecutive interpreting, the interpreter starts speaking after the speaker finishes speaking. The speaker usually divides his or her utterances into some pieces and give time for the interpreter to translate his or her words consecutively. The interpreter is visible, or the listener may recognize his or her presence in the meeting. Second, simultaneous interpreting. For this type, the interpreters speak at the same time as the speaker delivers the speech and do not speak directly to the listeners, but they speak into a microphone. The interpreter sits a place called booth and may see the speaker through the booth window. The booth is equipped with a microphone, a headphone, a mute button, and a volume control. On the other hand, the listeners are provided with headphones that they can switch to the language they want. This type is held for a large meeting or conference. That's why it is conducted in team, usually in a group of 2. Third, whisper interpreting. The interpreter doesn't actually whisper to the listeners, but the whisper interpreter sits or stands near to the listeners and translates the short text in a low voice. In whisper interpreting, no equipment is needed during the process as it is usually conducted for a small number. The last, sight interpreting. Sight interpreter is asked to read a document and then translate it aloud. This type may occur in various settings, for example, in a business meeting or in a court. The interpreter may also ask time to the clients to read and analyze the source text first before conveying it into other language orally. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.